Hello Crypto Nation and welcome to your Polygon staking tutorial. We're gonna learn how to stake MATIC using liquid staking so you can earn interest on your Polygon MATIC tokens without the lockup period and without needing to run your own node. Liquid staking allows the token holder to delegate tokens to a third-party service. Their service provider then stakes the tokens on behalf of the user. The difference between liquid staking and direct staking is that the user has control over the funds the entire time. They're not locked or inaccessible as they may be when staking directly. Whether you have MATIC tokens on the Ethereum blockchain or on the Polygon network, you can earn interest on your Polygon MATIC holdings. So let's get started and learn how to stake MATIC on Ethereum and then on Polygon. First, you're going to need a Web3 wallet with some Ethereum and MATIC. There's a link in the upper right hand corner to install the Exodus Web3 wallet on Chrome or Brave. Next, open the Lido application by navigating to lido.fi. Scroll down a bit and click Stake Now on Polygon and Connect Wallet. Click Exodus or any of the listed wallets and approve the connection. Enter the amount of MATIC you want to stake and click Stake Now. Approve the transaction by clicking Approve in Exodus, and that's it. After the transaction confirms, you'll see ST MATIC in your Exodus wallet. ST MATIC is a token that represents staked MATIC in Lido, combining the amount of your initial MATIC deposit plus staking rewards. You have full control over it, and you're free to use it as collateral or to trade it in DeFi markets, or just hodl for some passive income. ST MATIC is not pegged exactly to the MATIC price, so a small divergence in price is common and not a cause for alarm. You can get your MATIC back by using Lido and clicking the Unlock Tokens button. And that's how easy it is to stake MATIC with Lido and Exodus. Now, this option only works if your MATIC tokens are on the Ethereum blockchain. Lido does not support staking on the Polygon network itself. If you only have MATIC on Polygon, those tokens will not show up on Lido. But hang tight, we've got another option for you. You can swap your MATIC Polygon tokens for Stader's MATIC X. MATIC X is a token that represents your share of the total MATIC pool deposited with Stader. Just like the ST MATIC token with Lido, you'll receive MATIC X as a sort of receipt for your staked MATIC. If you have any questions, Exodus is here to help 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Give this video a like and be sure to hit that download button to use Exodus on your computer, phone, or tablet. Thanks for watching.